Alright guys, so starting off this video, I just want to say this is my absolute first time trying the stocking cap method. To me, I wear wigs because, I can take them off at night and be comfortable in my sleep because Lord knows I sleep rough. But if you are the type of person that likes to, wear your wigs for a couple of days or even weeks, this is perfect for you. So I started off with one side first just to make it easier for myself. So first thing I did was pull the cap all the way down over my ears and over my hairline, making sure everything was covered. And then I took my Got To Be Glued Free spray and I sprayed it right in front of my hairline. And I kind of messed up because I let it come down too far. So when you're doing this, be sure to lean your head back or something, or spray back a little farther, because mine was way down on my eyebrows. Like, girl, come on. And then I cut a little bit, and I tried to cut the way my hairline actually goes. So like I said before, when you are doing this, please make sure that you're not like me and you spray a little bit closer to the front of your hairline, because like I said before, mine was all the way down on my forehead, so the cap was sticking to my forehead and it made it super hard to cut. So this cap was the closest thing I could find to my skin tone, but it wasn't actually, like my skin tone. So to make it fit a little bit better to me, I took my Maybelline foundation. Wait, is this Maybelline? Yeah. I took my Maybelline Fit Me foundation and I just put it all over the front of the cap. So the wig I'm working with today is from RPG Hair. It is their Yaki straight wig in 20 inches. As you can see, it is a full lace front from ear to ear. It has 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and adjustable straps. And right here, what I'm doing is just seeing, how the wig lays on my head, because once I put it on, I realized that I didn't cut some of the cap farther enough. So I just went back and customized it to how I actually cut the lace on the wig. If that makes sense. I hope it does. So once I was sure that everything fit the way I wanted it to, I just laid down my wig with my Gorilla Snot. And I do have a couple videos on how I lay down my wigs, so I won't go into detail, but I will link one up above and also in the description box for you guys. So now I'm just placing the lace on top of that glue, and for some reason, usually I just breeze through this part, but this took me a long time today. One side wouldn't fit on my head, and then once I got that side to fit, the other side would pop up. And I don't think it was the wig, because the wig wasn't too small for my head. It actually fit pretty good. I could have, adjusted the bands a little bit more, but I think it was just me. I don't know. It was weird. So y'all already know what's poppin' when I pull out this bandana. I'm going to lay down this wig for a couple minutes and then I'll be right back. So I let that bandana sit on my head for about 30 minutes, maybe even 45. It was a super long time. And I did one side of baby hairs off camera, so I decided to do this side on camera. And it already came with baby hairs in the front, so I didn't have to do much but just cut it a little bit shorter because it was too long. And if you can see right here, kind of, the wig was looking pretty good at this point. So I wasn't feeling, discouraged anymore. I was pretty excited. So as you guys watch me struggle with my baby hairs, I just want y'all to know that I did not do any plucking at all to this hairline. Once I got the wig, I did bleach the knots because the knots weren't bleached. But after I did that, the wig looked just bomb by itself. So I didn't feel the need to go back behind them and pluck. So what you see right here is all RPG, not Javinia. So a couple things about this wig. Like I said before, it did come pre-plucked with baby hairs, and that hairline was popping. I did have to bleach the knots myself, and they took really well. Like, it looked like it was growing out of my scalp in person, It is kinky straight, so that means it does have a little bit of texture to it, which I wasn't sure about at first because I'm so used to silky straight hair, so I wasn't sure I was gonna like it. But after I styled it and put it on my head, this wig just looks so natural. Like, if it was shorter, it could look like my hair straightened, And it was a 360 lace. I don't know if I mentioned it before, which is even better because that means you can pull it up in a ponytail and do different styles with it. So hats off to RPG hair. So y'all know, okay, I had to be extra and put this part in slow-mo so you guys can really get a good look at that hairline and see how it looks, because I was feeling it. I won't lie, I was. Guys, so we come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed going through this little trial and error with me. Like I said before, this is my first time trying to stocking camera method, so of course it wasn't the best, but we can only get better, so that's cool, Of course, all the details and the links to this hair will be in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. And of course, if you did enjoy, don't forget to go ahead and leave your girl a like and a comment, and then go ahead and subscribe, and then click the little bell by my name so you can be notified every single time I post a video. And of course, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.